how to write the perfect blog post that people want to read. Hi, Jason from Warrior Marketers here, and in this quick video you're going to learn how to write an amazing blog post that people will really want to read, and it's not as difficult as you might think. Okay, let's get started. No matter what type of business you're in online, you are going to have to do at least some writing. Whether you're a blogger, a website builder, an indie book publisher, a freelance writer, or even an online shop owner, chances are you need to write content of some sort. One of the biggest secrets to success when it comes to blogging is knowing how to write content that people will actually want to read. Note that this isn't really about the way you write, or at least that's only a small part of the puzzle. Instead, writing content that people will go out their way to read is all about choosing exciting topics, giving them great titles, and know what it is that makes people click. 1. Know your audience. It goes without saying that you must know who your audience is and what they are interested in before you even think about creating any type of content. If you don't know what your audience is feeling and the particular struggles that they face, then you really are shooting in the dark. Take some time to do a little niche research and dig deep and niche down. This way your content can be super targeted to the right people, and they are much more likely to read and engage with any content you produce, as you are speaking directly to them and their concerns. This doesn't have to take long, but is well worth the time and effort. But unfortunately, this is one step that so many marketers and product creators skip. Yet, if you do this, you will definitely reap the rewards by targeting the right people at the right time, which will result in more leads and hopefully sales for you. 2. Using clickbait for good. One way to entice people to come to your blog and read your post is to use clickbait. Clickbait is basically any content that is designed to encourage clicks, even if it isn't entirely honest in how it goes about that. Normally, clickbait titles are purposefully provocative or misleading, and this gets people to click on them. Unfortunately, this also gives them a rather bad reputation, so you do need to be careful if or when using them. For instance, you'll see things like 10 tips to transform your body, number 4 changed my life, or you'll never believe what happened to this woman in this shocking video. For most people, the curiosity or promise of the title will elicit a click. The trouble begins when the actual content they are sent to is completely different to that alluded to in the link. As long as the content is entirely congruent and what was promised, you can use clickbait type headlines. There is no denying that clickbait does work, and it generates plenty of hits for your website. The problem is that it can also be misleading, and as such it can damage your branding. But of course, that won't be an issue for you, as you will be using clickbait in a more honest and ethical manner. 3. Choose your title wisely. So, then let's ask ourselves, what is it about clickbait that makes it so successful? The answer is that it looks different, it looks interesting, and it promises something unique that you haven't seen before. It would be fine if the actual content weren't so lacking. And clickbait is even more successful thanks to the sheer quantity of interesting content on the web. How many fitness sites have you been to where all the articles are on 10 ways to get abs or how to eat clean to lose weight? This content is so derivative we've all read it 1,000 times before. To get around all this drudgery, you need to create content that offers something genuinely interesting, that people haven't seen 1,000 times before, and that actually sounds interesting too, because if you can't generate interest, no one will see it, and that would be a shame. For a fitness site, that could look something like this. How my fitness addiction nearly ruined my relationship. Cardio acceleration, a new type of cardio fitness that burns 300% more fat. Why bodybuilders are stronger than powerlifters. These sorts of titles are engaging and unique, but what's more is that they're also meaty and give you the opportunity to write some really great stuff. And they also have an air of mystery to entice viewers to click through and learn more. That's how you get clicks and build fans. Okay, there are 3 quick tips to help you create content that people actually want to read. And hopefully this will result in more leads and sales for you and your business. Now, where's my pen? I hope you found this video useful. Please like and leave a comment about how you devise writing great blog content. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hints and tips to help you grow your online business. And wherever you are in the world, have a great day.